In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track task progress in Stack. First, you'll need to access the Stack login page. This can be easily done by navigating to the Stack website where the login option is prominently displayed. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in using Google, which is a convenient and secure way to access your Stack account without the need to remember yet another password. Simply click on the Login with Google button to proceed. After clicking on the Login button, you'll be directed to a page where you need to select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you pick the one associated with your Stack projects. This step is crucial to linking the correct email communication and ensuring that all project updates are synced with the appropriate account. Next, once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your project dashboard within Stack. This is where you can view all your active, pending, or past projects at a glance. Select the project that you want to track from your list. Opening the project will give you access to all the specific details and progress metrics related to that particular task. When you're in the project, locate and go to the project details section. This is essentially the control panel for monitoring and managing the status of your project. Here you'll find the project's current status, along with other important details like timelines and deliverables. Clarifying and updating this section ensures that everyone involved in the project is on the same page regarding what's happening and what's expected. One of the key features in this section is the project status dropdown. Stack has thoughtfully included a default list of 13 standard project statuses. These help you accurately categorize the stage of your project. For instance, you might choose bidding if you're currently in the process of bidding, or in progress if the work has already started. Each status option allows you to maintain a clear understanding of where every project stands. For added detail, you can log the bid date and bid time in the project details. Including this information is incredibly beneficial, particularly for projects that are time sensitive or have hard deadlines. This ensures everyone is aware of the critical timelines, preventing any unexpected surprises down the line. Remember, keeping your project's status updated not only aids in personal project management, but also provides your team members and stakeholders with transparent access to the project's journey. So by integrating these steps into your workflow, you'll manage to maintain a comprehensive overview of your tasks, promote efficiency, and ultimately achieve better results. With these steps, you're well on your way to effectively tracking task progress in Stack. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.